Now we are learning some string operations, string slicing we can call. I am taking A, I'm giving one string. We are learning Python. This is a string. Now, as we discussed in the MATLAB, in the similar case, the string indexing works in the Python. If I give A of 0, then the W is printed. Means the W is the 0th index. Now, if I give A of 1, then the letter E is printed. If I want from letter E to be printed the remaining entire sentence, then I can use some one column, entire sentence will be printed. Now if I particularly want from the first index 1 from E to until the index 5, here we are checking it is index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. The fifth letter or the fifth index will not be printed in the end. Whenever we are giving the ending number 5, the fifth index letter will not be printed until the fifth index letter will be printed. You have to remember that. Now if I give a some 0 to 4, so 0 to 3 will be printed. So index starting from 0. So 0th letter is W, first letter is E, second letter is space, and the third letter is A, and the fourth indexing letter will not be printed. And Python also supports the negative indexing. What is this negative indexing? When I give A of -1, the last letter, the N, means the Python here giving the index from the last letter, from the right to left. Until now, we have given from left to right. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2, like that we have given. Now we are giving the indexing from -1, -2, -3. How it will work? We will check. So A of -1 means N will be printed. If I give A of -2, then O will be printed. If I am giving the indexing 1 to -1, when I am giving 1 to -1, I am expecting W should not be printed. So starting from E, that should end with O. As when we are giving the -1, as just now we have discussed, the N will not be printed. We will check the result. As it is starting from E and N is not printing. So what if I give colon -2, then the entire sentence will be printed leaving O on. If I give simple column, then the entire sentence is printed. And if I am giving some 50th index, the 50th index is not at all there. It will show some error. That means we can access the string and we can give the string indexing only until the last character. After that, if we are indexing that character, or if we are indexing which is with the number which is not at all there, 50, the 50th letter is not there in the string. When we are using that 50th index, then the Python is giving error. Now we are taking some simple word, polytechnic. We are trying to replace the polytechnic, the starting two letters. So 0 to 3, starting two letters, 0, 1, 2, 3 letters. Starting 3 letters I want to replace with some GPT. Is it possible? You see, in the Python, string is immutable, means we cannot change the string by simply giving the indexing. Here I am expecting the starting 3 letters should be replaced with the GPT, but the Python does not support it. We will get the error. So whenever we take it, I am taking another string. So we are learning Python. In this, I am trying to change the last letter with some A. Again, we will get the error because the string in the Python is immutable. By using the indexing, we cannot replace any letter or any string in the Python. As we already discussed, in Python, it is possible to add two strings by simple plus command. Example, if there is a GPT, I'm giving plus amdv, then the GPT amdv, the two strings are combined together and the combined string is printed. In this case also, when I am giving, this is the A, we are learning Python. So I am giving the index from 0 to 5. Now we can take 0 to 6 VR. So what is the 0 to 6 VR? Now I am expecting this 0 to 6 indexing the VR to be printed combinedly with students. So the resultant is the two strings are combined together as we did in the previous case. In this previous case, we have combined GPT AMDV. Now we are combining a string students with the indexing A of 0 to 6. This is possible. So we can take any particular literal or any particular word from a string and we can add that to another string by using the addition operator.